Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to get more views on YouTube. I want to show you a program which has name VidIQ. He can allow you to optimize your video. He can help you find better tags, find search keywords. And finally we'll get more views, more subscribers and others things. Okay, it is VidIQ. I will show you what tools he has. You have link in the description to this program. There are three programs. First is free. You have free, you have pro, and you have boost. Pro, it is only 10 USD for month, and what it can help you. You may find keywords which can help you make a video. Okay, Bybit. As you can see, how to fix Google AdSense payment profile CBAT. What is CBAT? CBAT Hudson Machawka. Okay, Windows 11. Okay, and overall. And here you may find option like questions. Overall, and you here have option like how to install apps on Windows 11, how to update drivers for Windows 11, how to reset Windows 11. Here you have search volume, how often they try found it. Here you have competition, and here you have overall. So the higher it is better, and the less it is worse for you. So here you may find keywords which can help you create video better. And now I will show you option with the tags. Here you have option like tags, and here you may see competition about your video. My video is how to check YouTube watching and search history. So here you have competition, search volume, related score, overall score. How to watch history on YouTube. It is bad, but I wanted to create this video, and it will be. So you may find Mary good tags and click add plus, and your video has bigger chance to be on to be searchable for others on YouTube. Okay, and it is VidIQ. I will recommend you it. My channel grow up with this thing many. It was a long time ago. And it grow up. It's more, and I am happy that I see it, and I want to grow up on my channel. And VidIQ is very helpful. Here you have also option like last 60 minutes views, last 14 hours views, short views, last 7 days views, last minutes watched, last 7 days subscribers, and hours watched. Okay, and thanks for watching. Also, you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time.